So back in the day, even, a moisture barrier should have been at least 2 layers of 60-minute. I would at least accept 2 layers of even 30-minute tar paper. But what we're seeing here is 1 layer of maybe 30-minute right over the plywood, which would have been probably quarter inch sheathing, not even 3/8 back in the day. So, and it's not even taped. So yeah, again, your typical piecemeal. Maybe R8, R12 insulation, not R20, I don't think by any stretch. This stuff is the old school with, I've already pulled this out once, but you can see a little bit that this would have had like the paper backing that they would have stapled on the inside. Now, fortunately, yeah, here's some, here we are. So that's typical. Now, when the drywall was redone in here, we put in the moisture barrier on the inside, so this was doubled up on, which is good. But still, a lot of stuff to do. So yeah, so all this old ad hoc sheathing, patch job, every bit of scrap plywood they could find, pulling that all off and continuing with full sheathing. And then we'll put 2 layers of 60-minute over top of that and tuck tape it so it provides a better seal. And this looks like looks almost, yeah, this is a heavy membrane, which is not too bad, and it extends down, so that was clever. That actually extends down past the concrete. Now, the problem was that was defeated by the fact that when they put this drip guard on, it's supposed to take the water off the siding and then lead it down over the edge and, you know, away from the house. Unfortunately, what they ended up doing, put together a little bit to display it, demonstrate it here, bloody hornets, is they had taken, they took the rain gutter and they had put that in, and then what they did is they took some of this channel, which when we moved in here, I ended up drilling these holes in so that they would actually drip. But the problem was, as they were originally installed, they looked like this. And basically what it is just a gutter with no drips. And what they did is they laid that right on top of their drip guard, or their drip, and then they ran their siding right down like so into the channel. And so what happened was the water was coming into here, and then whenever it was joining, right, it was just channeling the water, and the way it was angled when we put the level on it, it was angling it all back right into the corner of the house, or the corner here. And so what happened was we ended up with a lot of the water, instead of being driven down away from the house, it was finding its way in and causing issues. Now this isn't too bad here. It's not as bad as I expected, but you can see the mold and everything else that was here. You can see the old stucco in behind because they just poured this right up against the base of the house. And I'm not seeing an extension of our asphalt over there past this point. So, joy. Anyway, rebuild, make it right. Laters.